Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So it says, for what value of b will the polynomial p of x equals 2x cubed plus bx squared? See that b there in the x squared? That means quite often, probably 9 times out of 10, that we're going to be using remainder theorem on this polynomial. Keep reading. Have the same remainder, yep, if it's divided by this and divided by that. Okay, so we're going to apply remainder theorem, which basically says that when you're dividing by x minus 2, what you do with that divisor is you set that equal to 0 and solve for x, so x would equal 2. When you put that into your polynomial, p of 2, that value is equal to the remainder. So we are going to do that. Let's throw that x equals 2 in for x, and then we'll simplify. Alrighty, so we'll keep it as p at 2, but it's basically the remainder. And we would have 16 minus 10, 6, so we had 8 plus 4b when that right-hand side gets simplified. Now, can't really go much further with that because we have the unknown of b and we don't know the remainder, but we do know that it has the same remainder as if when we divide by x plus 1. So let's do it again. So p of x is going to be divided by, meaning we're going to use remainder theorem, divided by x plus 1, set that equal to 0. So x would equal -1. So we're going to go p at -1, substitute -1 in for x. And that is also equal to the remainder. And it's the same remainder as above. So we'll be able to set these two expressions equal to each other. That's the plan. Let's simplify this. We'd have b and we'd have -2, that cancels with +2, and then we'd have +5. All right, so same remainder, so those two things equal each other. That means that 8 plus 4b has to equal b plus 5, and solve for b, so subtract b from both sides, subtract 8 to the other side, so we'd have 3b equals -3, divide both sides by 3, we get b equals -1. And there we go. Did we answer the question for what value of b will the polynomial? Yep, we did. B is equal to -1. Alrighty, there you go. Hope that helped.